Let's flip a coin. Heads Carolina, tails California, somewhere greener, somewhere warmer, up in the mountains, down by the ocean, where it don't matter, long as we're going somewhere together. I've got a quarter. Heads Carolina, tails California. Hey everyone, I want to teach you how to play this awesome song, Heads Carolina, Tails California. There's a bunch of different versions, but this is the one by Jordan Davis that just came out a little while ago, a few months ago. But at a time when traveling's hard because of the virus and everything, I thought this would be a great one. Plus, I just love this song. So, super easy song to play. You're going to need a capo, and I like the Kaiser capo. I'll include a link to it, to where you can buy it on Amazon for like 20 bucks in the description. It's last. I mean, I've had it for 15 years, and it's still going strong. So I love it. And I don't get paid anything if you buy it. I mean, I wish I did, but I don't. So let's get into it, okay? Thanks so much for everyone who has subscribed. I really appreciate it, and all of you have been hitting like and commenting and stuff. I really appreciate it. Please let me know in the comments if there's other songs that you would like me to teach you next, or if you have a question about like a certain like strumming pattern or like technique or something like that. If you want me to do a video like that too, more than happy to. Okay? So let's get into this. You're going to do standard tuning, and the capo is going to be on the 2nd fret, okay? So you are going to use 3 chords throughout this entire song, and they are exactly the same order the entire song, okay? So I'm going to walk you through the strumming pattern, or the chords first, and then the strumming pattern. So you do D, okay? Then you're going to use A. You can do A like that, or if you want, you can just do it like that. Okay, whichever is easier for you in the song. You're also going to use G. I use this G, but you can use either one, okay? Okay, now those are the only 3 chords you're going to use. The order is going to be DAGA, all right, D-A-G-A. So you're going to go, so it's going to be D, A, G, A. Baby, what a... So the intro, you do that twice. You do D-A-G-A twice, okay? So after you do it the 2nd time, so the strumming pattern for the entire song is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, okay? I'm gonna walk you through that a little bit slower real quick. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, okay? So you're gonna go, baby, what do you say? We just get lost. Okay, so the order for that is you start with D before you even say baby. Baby, what do you say? Okay, so after say, you do A, the letter A. That should be easy. Say A, okay? Say, we just get lost. So as soon as you're lost, you do G. Lost. Okay, so for the 2nd half of lost, because it's really drawn out, you do A. Okay? Lost. Leave this one horse. Okay? Leave. So when you start doing leave this one horse, you do D. Leave this one horse town like 2 rebels. Rebels is A, alright? Rebels without a cause. Okay, cause is going to be G. Cause. So the last like quarter of cause, you're going to do A. Okay? I've got people. So when you do people, you're going to do D. People in Boston ain't your is where you're going to do A, right? Ain't your daddy still in Des Moines? Moines, so not duh, but Des Moines. Des Moines, you're going to do G. Moines. Okay, the end of the word, you're going to do the A, all right? Moines. We can pack. Okay, pack is D. Pack up tomorrow, tonight. Okay, so like the end of tonight, you're going to do A. Night, let's flip a coin. So at the beginning of coin, you're doing G, and the 2nd half the 2nd part you do A. Coin. All right, coin. Okay, you don't have to mute or anything there. What I would say is for the intro, you're gonna want to play it louder. When you go into the verse, you're gonna do, baby, what do you say? So you'll play it, the verse is a little bit softer. What do you say? We just get lost. Okay, so So you're going to play the verses softer and the chorus louder as well. Excuse me. So you're going to do heads, Carolina. So you do the same chord progression. You're going to do D is heads, heads, Carolina, tails. So tails is A, tails, California, somewhere. Okay, so some, kind of like after the end of some, you're going to do G, somewhere greener, some, same thing. All right, beginning of some, you're going to do A, somewhere warmer, up is D, up in the mountains, down is A, down by the ocean. Okay, then G, where it don't matter. Okay, where it don't matter, long. Okay, long is A, long as we're going somewhere. Okay, somewhere is D, somewhere together. Okay, then A is I've got a quarter. Okay, then you're gonna do G on heads, heads, Carolina, and tails. Okay, tails is A, tails, California. Okay, then you're just gonna do dagger once, okay? Like in between the chorus and the verse. So D, A, G, A. Okay, then you're gonna start over again and do the second verse, and you're just gonna do it a little bit softer. We can load what we've got in the back of a U-Haul van. Okay, that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments or anything. It's super easy, but it's such an awesome song. I love the Jordan Davis version. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun well, I was going to say seeing you guys. I'm not seeing you, you're seeing me. So hopefully you've had fun seeing me. But anyway, you guys will see me next time. All right, thanks. See ya.